All right, guys, we're here. The rain has stopped. The sun is trying to peek out from between the clouds. Exciting stuff is going to start happening. We had a backtrack with the sheathing, but now I could do some windows. We got half of the windows up here. We got these big 5-footers. Those will be nice to get in. Anyway, that's the plan. Get some windows in. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. All right, guys, gotta cut this window. The corners at 45, and then cutting a smaller square out and then wrapping everything in. But then nothing would stick good to here. Nothing would stick good here. And then this protects the side, so we're gonna do the eye shape rather than flush up here. Down here. Not saying this is the right way, but this is where it made more sense for people. It made more sense to watch. Not really an eye when you cut that out, but it's an eye, but
Old man. Bobby.
So this way seems to work better. So the other way, we were running it straight on the outside wall, cutting this and then folding it in and folding in, and then it left a big hole right here. Which this isn't perfect either, but if you cut it a little bit shy, instead of right up to the corner, cut it up quite as high. So this kind of stretches at least. And leaves a little bit of this sticky tar, or butyl, whatever you want to call it. And then it wraps around. It's not real thick, but it's better than the other one. It created a big hole, like created a trap for it all to fall into. So that's the bottom. Do that before we put the window in.
I'm gonna have to put this down here and hold it in.
Bruising from the outside. There's the hole there. There's the hole there. You got that?
Looks good. Good and level.
You gotta push the whole window out over here like an inch. slap that window in.
They eat grass with their new cubs.
Dead nuts.
Beautiful windows, even though they're dirty.
Tape the outside. We got 2 cans of spray, which won't do all the windows, but we'll use them up. And then we're actually doing good. Got a lot done this week.
Get.
So that's it, guys. Had everything but the doors done, and this one window I didn't bring up. But we didn't do the Tyvek on the top. So maybe if we get ambitious, we can do that tomorrow morning before we head home. So, starting to look like something, guys. This side has no windows yet. Only one window on that side. So, no doors yet. Look at that, though. Windows. Windows are nice. Look at those big, beautiful windows. All right, let's open our windows or close our windows up and go eat some dinner. All right, guys, dinner time. Jenny pan fried some pork chops up, made some rice with some pineapple, and we got some teriyaki glaze. I don't get pork very often.
So I'm not a pork gal,
But
except in the form of bacon.
perfectly seared pork chop.
By yours truly. Now it's time for
Celebration.
some hard seltzers and a shower. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember, like and subscribe below.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.